Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Dell Inspiron 3480 laptop drivers. So first you have to come this site www.dell.com. This is officially website. After that click on support and then click to driver and download. Then click on enter the model number and then hit enter. After that you can see there are two options, which is manual and automatic. So if you want to install and facing some issues like cameras and all one by one, okay, so you have to install this one. Otherwise this is automatically means just one click and all installs. But you have specific issues like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and you are facing issues and you need to update the driver. So click on this, select the driver. After that click on categorize. This is easy for find this all drivers to download and install. Okay, then and slow down. This is a first Bluetooth plus Wi-Fi. Okay, so if you are using facing issue in Bluetooth also, so you have to install, say if you are installing issue in the Wi-Fi, so you have to same install this one. So select this. Okay, yeah, so you can just click to download icon. You can see here, this is download icon. Just click to download, so it will start download in the download box. So like that you can see, and it will take some time and depend about your internet speed. Yeah, so then it is completed. Then just single click to open, then click on yes for the administrator installations. So there are two options, first extract and second installations. Okay, yeah, so click on install. Yeah, select the languages. So next, now this is installing wireless and Bluetooth installer. Prepare on this. Yeah, then next to install. After that it will complete it, and when it is completed then restart your system, because this is mandatory to install. Thank you.